Breakfast. So y'all, I done cut the turkey in half. This is the rosemary side, the biggest part, real rosemary, and this is the jerk side. I don't know why that's the bigger side, but this the smaller side. And I cut up some Monterey cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese for my macaroni. It's only 24 ounces. And I've got my sage dressing. I think it's only a pound. 1 pound of sage dressing. Y'all know I go heavy on the sage. And all I gotta do is put my bell peppers in, my onions, and my celery, and in the oven it goes. Speaking of the oven, the honey cornbread is ready. I'm not gonna put my 2 turkeys in yet. I'm about to put my sage dressing in and my baked macaroni in right now. Still I have to make 2 sweet potato pies, a chocolate cake, and some greens. TTYL. Okay, y'all, so the honey cornbread's already ready. Here's my baked macaroni. It's 24 ounces. Here's my sage. It's only 1 pound of sage dressing. And I have my rosemary turkey right here and my jerk turkey here. And here's the sharp cheddar cheese along with the Monterey Jack cheese that I'm going to put on top of the macaroni. So I have 2 sweet potato pies to make, a chocolate cake, maybe a pecan pie, some greens, and I'm going to make some roasted bacon, green beans. Green beans and bacon roasted. Anywho, see y'all tomorrow if y'all want to come. If not, it'll still be here, y'all. So this is the rosemary chicken that's done. The jerk, not chicken. This is the rosemary turkey that is done. The jerk turkey is still cooking. And I let this cook for 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. And the jerk is cooking for, it's been since 3, it's now 5. This had been in since 1. I got it out like at 4:30. The thing did pop. So I made some space in the fridge for the cornbread and the macaroni. And there's a sweet potato pie in there. That's my avocado. The refrigerator's fully stacked, packed. And I got some grapes over here. Some grapes. Some black grapes, some red grapes, and some green grapes soaked in ACV. I got some glazed chicken in there. Sean just ate him some pizza rolls. No, Dad, but he just ate some pizza rolls. So I have so it ended up being 2, but I I like to have dressing to myself. So my sage dressing is this one. Now I love me some sage dressing. That's extra sage. And then this one. Yeah. When I put the celery, onions, and green peppers, I put them in a blender. Because half the time, someone don't like the onions, someone don't like the celery, and someone don't like the onions. So they're not going to taste it like crunchy. They won't even know they're in there. And I have to make my hair growing greens next, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. And I'm going to make my green beans with bacon later, because after you cook those, you have to serve those immediately. The greens still aren't done, but we're going to give them their food. You can eat. Yeah. I put my foot in this macaroni. It's so good. Oh my God. This is so good. The dressing. So I make sage cornbread dressing. Childhood. My mom used to always put her foot, both of her feet, in the sage cornbread dressing. Yeah, this macaroni. Oh, my dressing. Sage cornbread dressing with the cranberry sauce. Got the hot sauce on the greens. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Got the gravy on the rosemary turkey. Y'all, both them turkeys came out good. Well, I cut the turkey in half. I split it straight down the breast. Took the spine out. Jerked one side and rosemaried the other. Today's Friday, and it is now 8:08. Oh gosh, y'all. It's my first time tasting it. I don't even be tasting my food when I be cooking it. It's just like I just know, like I repeat myself, and it still comes out the same. 80% of the time, I'll say that. This cornbread dressing. Y'all. Oh. Remember the new cornbread Jiffy? No, it's not new. Well, it's the new HONEY Jiffy cornbread mix. It's already got the honey in it. It's my first time tasting this also. Okay, y'all, it's good. It's good. I put my foot in this baked macaroni. I got one of them Aldi's juices. That's $3.98. Okay, y'all. The secret to my baked macaroni is sour cream. I put one of those small tubs of sour cream to 24 ounces of mac and cheese, which means 2 of those boxes. plus the sauce that comes with the box. Then I make my own sauce. And I use sharp cheddar cheese. Yeah, I use sharp cheddar cheese. I'm thinking, did I use another type of cheese? Oh, yeah. I also use that Monterey Jack cheese. So, I had some of that. So, I cut that up in cubes. Then I cut up 2 blocks of that sharp cheddar cheese. And then I used the sprinkle sharp, extra sharp cheddar cheese. Y'all. So, the key is, not only do you use the sour cream, you also have to, forgetting my thoughts, you also have to, so the boxes of macaronis are 12 ounces, which I use 2 boxes at 24 ounces. So you have to use 16 ounces of cheese per box. When you're making up your own cheese sauce, you use 16 ounces of cheese per box. Artery clogging. But it's so good. So good. Y'all. It's so good. So good. That rosemary. Y'all. Oh, it just marinated in it so well inside the turkey. I thought I put the right amount. So the rosemary I used are the 2 rosemaries that you find above the vegetables for $1.98 at Walmart. I used 2 whole things of that. I also used some of the rosemary that already be in a little round canister for 98 cents. I sprinkled that on, salt and pepper, rosemary, a little bit of garlic, and that was it. I let that sucker sit for about an hour before I even put it in the oven. And when I did put it in the oven, I also put the jerk chicken in one pan by itself, and then I put the rosemary chicken in another pan by itself. I let them suckers cook for 4 hours each. Yes, I did. And it's still tender and juicy, even with the gravy. So, to put it in the refrigerator, I had to put them together in one pan, throw the other pan away. So, y'all, I have not tasted the jerk chicken yet. But this is so good, the rosemary. So good. So good. The Jiffy honey cornbread. Good. I'm going to show y'all what type of juice I got from all this. So it's this one. The Organic Simply Nature Antioxidant Power 100% juice. So this juice has the pomegranate, the tart cherry, red grape, purple carrot, cranberry, and blueberry. Yes, ma'am. And can't have greens without Louisiana hot sauce. Cannot. You cannot. You just cannot. You cannot have greens without Louisiana hot sauce. Nor chitlins. But I didn't cook that. Oh, and I didn't do my green beans with bacon. But I guess I'll save that for Christmas. I'll save that for Christmas. I'll save that for what? So good. It don't make no sense. Bye, y'all. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web anytime, catches thieves. Look out, I'm Cabbage Patch Baby, known as the Spider-Man. Really? You don't want to be Baby Hawk no more? No? Your outfit is cute. It's so cute. Spider-Man. Really? Is that baby Yoda? You got Yoda? Is Yoda your friend? Is that Yoda your friend? Don't eat him.